Hey, what's up? You guys hit a goal? Fantastic. And of course, Tom has made this the lowest goal to achieve because I'm the easiest to puppet. Okay, great. Oh, I also do need to look at the lyrics. So let me Google the lyrics first. Well, let me do this. Oh, it was already time signatured. Hopefully that's not too loud.
With a gun and keep an eye on you, son, so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smoke, cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They gonna rip up your heads, your aspirations to shreds. Another cog in the murder machine. They said I'm teenagers scared the living shit out of me.
He knows the lyrics better than I do.
The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names at the stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They said I'm teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They can care less as long as someone will bleed.
Yeah.
So talk in your post, I'll strike a violent post. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Oh, yeah.
Rocking out. Yeah. You got this. Heck yeah. This will be the best one. It will. Yeah. Everybody. No, come back. I keep hitting the microphone. Virgil, sorry. Oh, wait. I gotta pause it. That was honestly way more fun than I thought that was gonna be. Virgil, you did so good. Can I go? Yes, you can absolutely go. Thanks. Virgil, you got fans. Virgil. This one's a little tougher, I think, because there's no bottom lip. It's all top here. Okay. This is exciting. Okay. All right. And I'm gonna do this if I can. Ooh, move these correctly.
Why are there so many songs about rainbows? And what's on the other side?
Oh my gosh.
Rainbows are visions, but only illusions. And rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see. Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers,
The dreamers, and me. Getting better at this. Let me make sure I'm looking at comments.
Who said that every wish would be heard and answered when wished on the morning star?
I kind of love this.
Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it. Look what it's done so far. What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection.
The lovers, the dreamers, and me.
All of us under its spell, we know that it's probably magic. Have you been half asleep, and have you heard voices? I've heard them calling my name. Is this the sweet sound that calls the young sailors? The voice might be one and the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. It's something that I'm supposed to be. Someday we'll find it,
the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us. Oh my gosh, Patton, you did such a good job. Thank you. That was very I loved that so much. Great suggestion for a song for Patton. Y'all did great out there. Thanks for that. Thanks for that suggestion. Ah, love Kermit the Frog. Love that song. Love all of you out there. Thanks for being you. Keep doing it. Bye.
With a mouse.
Hello.
You ready?
Huh?
You ready?
I think so.
All right, let me done.
Roman, get ready to, I said this without you. Get ready to lip sync for your life. Can do. Oh, gosh. Oh, Nate, I'm so sorry. I'm working the hardest to do this. Gosh, the hands.
You wanted me to stay, but I can't ignore the crazy visions of me in LA. I heard that there's a special place where boys and girls can all be queens every single day.
Oh, whoa.
Wicked dreams
Oh, I've heard of self-love, but this is ridiculous.
in Santa Monica, I swear it's calling me. Won't make my mama proud. It's gonna cause a scene. She sees her baby girl. I know she's gonna scream. God, what have you done? You're a pink pony girl, and you dance at the club. Oh, mama, I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on
Dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'll stop singing.
dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club. I'm up and jaws are on the floor. Lovers in the bathroom and a light outside the door. Black lights and a mirror disco ball. Every night's another reason why I left it all. I think my wicked dreams are here from 10
on, Thomas, rock out. I'm trying. Rock out. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Jeez. Doing it.
Don't think I've left you all behind. Still love you in Tennessee. You're always on my mind. And mama, every Saturday I can hear your southern drawl 1,000 miles away, saying, God, what have you done? You've been
Trying to work on the hands is not easy.
Yes, especially.
Get it right.
He's trying.
I'm just having fun on the stage in my heels. It's where I belong, down at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing down in West Hollywood. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. Pink Pony Club.
Your hands are so hard to operate. It's so hard.
Hey, they gave me a 10 out of 10. That's a win, really.
Oh, we're zooming out. We're zooming out. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Goodbye. Yes.
Here we go.
As ready as I'll be. Oh, interesting.
Yeah, I don't know why it did that. All right, here you go. I'll be right back.
Always quite the loser, Jeremy. Then I invaded, and you upgraded. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh, 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 Jeremy. It's true that I found you, but look around you. Whoa,
I'm trying to like Meg.
your peers are just so incomplete. You can't see it, but they're all in pain. Operating systems obsolete. So let's complete the chains and get inside those brains. Let's
I need to fix his glasses a little bit.
Let's save the pitiful children. Let's teach the pitiful children who just haven't a clue just what to do. Help them to help you.
Ooh. Gonna spill all the googly eyes.
You see the vision clearly, Jeremy. Users embracing and interfacing. People. Shiny, happy people singing sweetly. God is human error and fear. Every issue tucked away so neatly. If you feel a summer tear, just turn that knob and switch that gear. Let's save the pitiful children. Let's save the pitiful children. Let's teach the pitiful children who just haven't a clue just what to do. And soon this will be you.
Oh my goodness. Got like a few minutes left.
Don't say that.
Don't say that.
Now he's just dancing. His little poor hands.
Let's save the pitiful children. Let's save the pitiful children. Let's teach the pitiful children who haven't a clue. If that's what we do, if that's what we do, then everything about us is going to be wonderful. We love everything about squints. Everything about us is going to be so alive. We could never live without squints.
Ooh. I gotta pause. Ow.
Oh man.
Your arm doesn't get a chance to even rest on your arm. Ooh. Go.
White boy rat, baby, let's go.
This is incredible. Nerd. Coming in hot. Yeah, here we go. We got it.
Welcome to the jungle. It's so exciting, exotic, mysterious, and we are inviting you on an adventure. So pay attention, please, to pythons, macaws, and all the other species, mammals, insects, birds, bees live under the shelter of 100-foot trees, where living things vary from jaguars to ants, and it's home to more than half the world's animals and plants. The trees are high, they don't let in light. In fact, it's dark in the jungle, so you think it's always nighttime. Little sunshine under the trees. The average
Glasses.
temperature is 75 degrees. It's quite wonderful, you'll see what it's about. It's fun, thrilling, so come check it out.
Little arm break, little arm break.
Oh man.
The rainforest, the tropical
I'm
rainforest.
making him do the flips.
The rainforest, the tropical rainforest. Now you've seen the forest, so come on and meet these various animals and interesting species. There's a sloth, if you've seen one before, you know it moves slowly and has strong claws. The red-eyed frog has suction heads to cling. They climb vertically. I guess that's their thing. Howler monkeys, now they got the style. Their house can be heard over half a mile. And that's a caiman waiting a while for its prey to come. It's related to the crocodile. And that's a snake, a unique creation. They crawl and blend into the vegetation. And that's a tapir, I know, of course. It looks like a pig, but it's more like a horse. More than 1 million species to study in all, like the jaguar,
It's looking at
ocelot,
animals
monkeys,
and
and
making
macaws.
it
All of these animals
And they
mean
can't
so
see
much,
it.
but we can lose them all if we lose touch with the forest. And all that exists, for the jungle has too much for us to miss.
Ah. Let me fold my arm, please.
Rainforest, the tropical rainforest.
Ow.
The rainforest,
It's getting blurry.
tropical rainforest.
Oh yeah.
Now the tropical
It's the
forest,
cameras now.
special place where the balance
Yeah.
of nature's like a
Hold on.
delicate lace. We should
It's such a long rap.
It's a long
Why is it 6 minutes long? Why is this the longest rap? Like it's beating out.
We may have to tag out halfway.
We have to. Yeah, right.
You gotta tag out.
That's so hard. His puppeteering is hard. Filmfine says Thomas is slowly melting. Yeah, truly. That's very
You want to
difficult.
take him off or? Oh.
I was putting it on my other arm.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. I thought you were.
Do you want to take it off? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes,
you're right.
I do.
It's like a
have some
nice.
compassion and show some concern,
But-
'cause the forest depends on what we learn. Unfortunately, some don't understand, like people coming in and clearing the land. It's called deforestation. That means horror. Bulldozers and axes clearing the forest. So many species will never understand, 'cause we're making it home, but destroying the land. This process to me is simply a sin. Where the trees give us shelter, the plants give us medicine, bananas and coffee, cocoa for chocolate, rubber from trees, synthetics for rockets. If we keep cutting like the last 50 years, by the year 2000 they will all disappear.
Oh, by the year 2000, they will all disappear?
Wow.
Well-
You're not entirely wrong.
Well, we still got some. But you're right, they're endangered. That's not the point of the song, Thomas. Not to be perfectly accurate with the years. It's still an issue. It is. It is very much. You're absolutely right. The rainforest. The tropical rainforest.
The rainforest, the tropical rainforest. Tragically, this devastation doesn't have to happen. That's why I'm on the mic here, rapping. The people at the World Wildlife Fund, well, they're concerned and get things done, but we almost reach out. So give us a hand and remember these tips whenever you can. First, it starts out with education. Read up on wildlife and conservation. Write letters to the congressman in your state or others in power to promote the debate. Just get involved, it doesn't take a lot of time. In fact, you can be creative. Look, I wrote this rhyme. Come on, participate, visit a zoo, have a contest at school. There's a lot you can do. It's up to you to keep the forest alive and help the plants and animals survive. So get up, get out, let everyone know we need to let the animals and the trees grow.
The rainforest. The tropical rainforest.
The rainforest.
The tropical rainforest. Okay, and then it slowly fades out.
Yep.